How to purchase USDT with your local currency and transfer to meet a transaction. Log into your Binance app, click the home page, and tap here. Click here to switch to the Pro version. When this page appears, it is converting to Binance Pro version. Click here again. Click On to P. Tap to P at the top of the page. Choose Express. Choose your country currency. Select Buy and choose the cryptocurrency you want to trade. Enter the amount you want to purchase. Select your payment method. The system will automatically generate a P2P order that meets your requirements and matches it with the best available orders in the P2P market. Please pay according to the payment method you choose within the time period specified by the seller. After the payment is completed, click Transfer to Notify Seller. This page indicates that the purchase is completed. You can also return to the home page and click the wallet's icon to view it. Check if you have received. How to deposit to meet a transaction. Log into your Binance app and click Wallets. Click Spot and then click Withdraw. Select as Tether's important note. The Meet a Transaction address only accepts STRC-20. Click Send via crypto network. First, make sure TronTurk20 is selected. Next, please enter the amount you wish to deposit into Meet a Transaction. Now, please return to Meet a Transaction to obtain the deposit address. Click Deposit. Click this icon to copy the deposit address for Meet a Transaction. After copying the address, please return to the Binance app. Please paste the Meet a Transaction deposit address you copied into this box and click Withdraw. Please confirm that the Meet a Transaction deposit address and the amount you entered are correct and click Confirm. Complete your security verification. After confirming the withdrawal request, please wait patiently for the transfer to be processed. You can also click here to view your pending payments. After a few minutes, you can refresh the page and click again to check if the complete word is available. Once complete is displayed, please remember to return to the deposit page of Meet a Transaction and click on Check Deposit Status. After that, click on Funding and click e-wallet. Check if your amount has been credited. Typically, it will be credited within a few minutes.